At 1509 Heavy, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
Right, 28 right, clear for takeoff, United 1509 Heavy.
At 1509 Heavy, traffic on the 2.5 mile final.
Copy.
Delta 1007, go around.
Go around, Delta 1007. And United 1509, rejecting on the runway.
Delta 7, turn left heading 260, maintain 3100.
260, 3100, Delta 1007.
American 2820, hold your push. Who else calls?
At 1509 Heavy, do you require any assistance?
Stand by, United 1509, just lost an engine.
United 1066, go around.
United 1066, going around.
1066, fly runway heading, climb and maintain 3000.
Maintaining 3000, United 1066.
Hey, Tower, looks like that's
Yeah, we've already called the airport fire personnel.
Thank you guys, we're monitoring, yep, we're running through our checklist right now, 1509.
And just give us a little patience, guys. Everybody in the tower, we're dealing with an emergency. We're trying to handle it, so just a little patience with us.
Copy that, ground. I stepped on you, Delta 2443. We're ready to taxi off Yankee with uniform wing.
Delta 2443, okay. You're in the queue. Just stand by.
Stand by.
Alaska 1253, Delta 6 for push.
If you're at tow, stand by.
Alaska 1253, Delta 6 for push.
Okay, we're dealing with emergency. Give me 1 second. Stand by. Nobody's pushing. Nobody's moving.
Can anyone tell us what engine it is, left or right?
Right.
Right engine.
The airport vehicle, rescue vehicle calling tower second.
Yes, I'm just right.
Rescue, where are you?
65, fire department.
Rescue 65, yeah, the aircraft on the running has a fire in the number 2 engine.
Roger that, on runway, and
Sky 5407, go around.
Going around, Sky 5407.
Rescue 65, runways and taxiways are fine. Let me know which ones you need.
United 1509.
Sky 5407, fly runway heading, climb maintain 3000.
Okay, runway heading 3000, Skyway 5407.
5407, contact knockout 135.1.
351, see you, Sky 5407.
1509, tower.
Yeah, do you have a discrete frequency for us?
128.65 for 1509.
2865. United 1723, spot 8 with uniform.
It's 1723 South 6 Tower, correction 7 to ground. Expect runway 28 left for departure. I'm going to hold you on that line back there. There's traffic. There's an emergency on the field out there, so you guys can't depart at this moment, so I'll advise.
Stand by.
Rescue 65, all runways and taxiways are yours.
Thanks very much.
Hey, ground, American 2398, to Victor.
American 2398, South ground. You're going to hold there. I'll advise. There's an emergency on the field.
Roger.
San Francisco Tower, this is Rescue 65. Emergency vehicles are clear of the runways. You can do whatever you need to in coordination with the pilot and airfield officer.
Rescue 65, Roger, and just to clarify, no rescue vehicles will cross any runways without explicit permission.
That's affirmative, and I'll clear that with them right now at port. Thank you.
Rescue 65, Roger. 42, were you going to inspect the runway behind the aircraft once they are able to taxi off? And Ops 36, were we good to use runway 28 left at this time, or do you still want me to hold off? Rescue 11 Tower, Roger.
For now, it looks like we will be. We still have the left engine up and running, and no evacuation necessary at this time. We should be able to proceed to the gates with no problems. tower. United 1509 Heavy, ready to proceed at this time. Fox 22 is going to be the gate.
United 1509 Heavy, are you able to make the right turn off there at November?
United 1509, we got the left engine up and running. Should be able to do that. The left turn on the Charlie might be an issue.
So would you prefer to make a left turn off the runway?
Yeah, left turn is going to be better for us. We have left engine only up and running now.
Okay, so since the 90-degree turn to the left may be a little harder, do you want to go down to like Echo or Tango?
Yeah, let's see the high speed down there. Tango for F22. Does that sound good for you?
Okay, perfect. United 1509 Heavy, you can taxi down the runway, turn left at Tango.
Taxi down the runway left at Tango, United 1509.
United 1509 Heavy, on your taxi, cross runway 1 left, cross runway 1 right, left turn at Tango, and then don't expect to stop.
United 1509, cross 1 left, cross 1 right, and cleared across Tango, don't expect it to stop, United 1509.